Yeah, what we were discussing last class? Yeah. So last class we have started understanding steps to develop Java program. Right. Can you please recollect once what we have learned last two classes, and then I'll go for programming part. Don't open books. Means don't look at previous pages. Try to look into your mind for previous pages. Understood? Tell me what the software is required to develop Java program. Editor software, JDK software, and command prompt software. What are the basic Java programming elements? 8. What are the 8? Okay. Then what the purpose of module? For grouping packages. What the use of package? For grouping classes. Okay. What the purpose of class? For representing object. And next, grouping variables methods to store values of an object to perform operations of an object. What the purpose of variable? Allocating memory, not storing values. Allocating memory and representing value. Then what the purpose of constructor and uh, blocks? For initializing variables. Okay. Then what is the purpose of uh, block method? To perform operations. Okay. What the purpose of inner class? To represent inner object of an outer object. Nice. Tell me, do we require all programming elements for developing a program? No. What required? Class, variables. I mean, class is mandated. Remaining members are Ani. Remaining members are not mandatory. Okay. ఇక్కడ వైఫై అంటే Okay, tell me what are the essential statements of Java program? Class, main method, System dot out dot println. Why class is essential? Because Java is an object oriented programming language. Every program should start with class. Why system dot, why main method is mandatory, essential? A class execution starts with main method. Main method is the initial point of class logic execution. So that's why it is mandatory. It is essential, right? Then next, system dot out dot println is essential. Why? Because in Java, you can print any message in the console only by using system dot out dot println only. Okay. Today, I want to give you access to the material, and you have to start following material from now onwards. Ready? Okay, open notes, first page. Okay, this material is very much confidential. Please don't share to your friends. Understand? So if you share to your friends, then I will face the problem in future, not you. So don't share. It's very much confidential. https://bit.ly/hk notes. Next, Telegram link to join class. Okay. Rule to join this Telegram group. You already joined Telegram, remember? That is Naresh IT group. Naresh IT Telegram means it's for all batches. This Telegram group is for your class, for our class. Okay. The rule to join this Telegram group, your Telegram profile name must be matched to admission. Your original name. Generally in Telegram app, you will have the name as AB, ABC. Okay, Lucky Boy, Lover Boy, right? So different names you will have. The fake names, people, if you have fake names, please don't join. You will be removed immediately. Once you removed, you will not be added to the group. Understand? I will inform you about classes related all information until our course completed. Classes related all the information. Class is there or not there, any holiday or time changes or material change sharing. All the communication I will do through this group to your batch. Do you all understand? Right. Open Telegram app. Check your name. Is your name same as your original name or not? Check. If not, change the name. Then join. Open Telegram app. Open your profile. If you have the fake names, change your name to original name. Sir, it's not possible for me to change. Then don't join. You will be removed immediately. Yeah. Are you ready with your changes? Next, girls, open settings. In Telegram app, open settings. There will be privacy. In the privacy part, you will have an option called hide number. There are hide your number. Boys will follow you. Most dangerous people. There are some people who are only targeting word girls. Any boy or girl ping you in the personal messages, directly sending messages. Hi, how are you? Which batch you are? Okay. Then don't reply to him. Simply take the screenshot and take the profile screenshot, send it to me and block your side and also block the person from the group also. Ma, understand what I'm saying? When I'm talking, you must listen. Papa, hello. When I'm talking, you must listen to me. Otherwise, later you'll face problem. You know, my friends are very danger. Okay. So listen, all the people open a girls. Telegram, go to settings and in the settings option, there will be an option called hide number. You hide number, only your name will be displayed. Number will not be displayed. Okay. Online students, all are you listening? What I'm saying? You all understood? Yeah, once you join with a fake name, once I removed, you cannot join again. So that's why be careful. Hope you all listen and change your name. Now I'm revealing the name. Go to search box. In Telegram, there is an option called search. Go to search and type without space. HK, without space you type programming world. Without space you type HK programming world. With spaces don't type. Without space, again and again I'm repeating, without spaces you type HK programming world and you'll find my photo there as a profile pic. And there are 4,500 plus students are there. Where? Click on join button and join. Are you joined? Right. So this group is not only for your batch specific. It is a group for all students of my 5 batches. Understand? Your seniors, your super seniors, mega seniors, senior, and also future coming juniors, all will be there in this group. So that when you get any question, any doubt while you are studying Java in your room, then you can post your question in this group. Your seniors will answer to your question immediately. 24 by 7, 365 days, you have support for any problem you are facing from Java. If no student is answering, I will answer. Clear my point? Next, you are not allowed to share any kind of links in this group. Okay, na? So if you try to share any link in that group, you will be removed from the group immediately. Any link, either material link or class joining Zoom link or any website link, anything, links, anything you shared there, then you will be banned. Okay, now once you are banned, you will not be joined. Clear my point? Right. So few rules are there. You must follow those rules. No, there is no other option. Rule number 1, your name must be matched to your original name, that is admission name. This is rule number 1. Rule number 2, must not share any kind of links. If you share, then also you'll be banned from the group. Once you are banned, you cannot be joined as a member again. Clear? And third rule, you must not contact any student in with direct message. Any problem you have, you can contact in the group your friends. No objection. For anything you can contact. If no one responding, you can contact me directly. You know my number? Can you find my number in that group? No? Can you find my number in that group? No? First fellows, brainless fellows. That's what the common sense you have. Huh? I am the admin of that group. Can't you find who is the admin in that group? Click on that group, HK Programming World group. If you click, there you can find me, 9010454584. This is my number. Save. Right, everyone got joined? Still anybody facing problem? Online students, offline students. Yeah, Happy Sharma, be sad, I'm removing you. Happy Sharma, bad Sharma. I clearly told you. Name is Happy now. Wow, who is that? Then why you are not responding? How he responded? I said Happy Sharma, I'm removing you. Then why you are not saying, hey, I am here? You know? Your name is Happy, but you are not happy. Huh? Okay. Okay, all the people open this link. Open browser. Type this link as it is. Open browser. Type that link. https://bit.ly/hk notes. Sai Mahesh, why did you ban? Did you join with a different name? Look at here. There are some folders are there, and also down you will see some files. Okay. Now the first folder is Core Java Books by Hari Krishna. Open this folder. Are you able to see that? Is this a Google Drive? Right? It's a simple. You have to open with your mail. Open browser, type that link. When you press enter, it will ask. If you have multiple Gmail accounts, it will ask which account you want to open. Select one account, you can open it. Then you'll find the first folder. Better do go to here and make it as a list. You would have seen like this, right? It will be like this. Change it to list view. From grid view to change to list view. Then open the first folder, Core Java Books by Hari Krishna. Okay, na? Then look at here. There is a file called Xerox 1, Xerox 2, Xerox 3, Volume 1A, Volume 1B, Volume 2. Okay, na? Found the 6 materials. Make them as a list view. By default, it will show in a grid view. Change to list view so that you can see all the files in the list. Now, currently we are discussing Volume 1A. This is a printed material which is written by my own. 1A, 1B, Volume 2. These are the textbooks. These books I have written very old. Now, latest modified notes is available in Xerox 1. Volume 1A textbook. Few chapters modified in text, modified notes is available in Xerox 1. So currently, how many books we are following? 2 books. Volume 1A, its extension Xerox material 1. Is it clear? Right. Now, currently we will follow only Xerox material 1. When we require to come to volume 1A, I will tell you. So open first Xerox material 1. It's a PDF file. It will open in everywhere. Mobile also it will open, system also it will open. Open. Now, Core Java chapter. How many chapters there in the Xerox material? 3 chapters. 1, 2, 3. Then look down. What is our course? Learning project development by using Java. Which version Java we are learning? 10. Yeah, whatever that you read. Which version we are learning? 10 or 18? 18. Don't copy book as it is. Try to update. Java 18, including old versions. And then now in Java, which Java we are learning? Core Java. Core Java with OCJD and JVM architecture. That time Kotlin is the language there in the market competition to what you call Java. Now what the new language you are learning? Python. So 2 languages you have to learn. Yesterday, one of my friend's son attended TCS exam. In that exam, he faced Java questions, C questions, Python questions, SQL questions, cloud computing questions. He attended Java interview, but for a Java student, you should also have a knowledge of what? C. If you want to get job in big MNC companies, you must have knowledge in C. C is the basic language, as you know. C. Then enterprise application, business applications, development purpose. Which language required? Java. For data science and machine learning applications to develop, which language required? Python. So now every company expecting 3 languages knowledge from you. C, Core Java, and what? Python. And if you want to work with either Java or with Python, those 2 languages are working with the data stored inside database. That means you must retrieve the data from where now? Database. Means you should know SQL and PL by SQL you should know. That is what Oracle course. So now questions are coming from SQL also. In order to create the front-end pages to collect the data for both Java and Python, the front-end screens you will develop by using HTML. So totally you must compulsory learn 5 courses. C, next one is what? C, Java, Python, SQL, HTML. 5 courses you must have. And if you want to write any problem solving, if you want to develop any program, first of all, you should have mathematical knowledge. For that, you require CRT. CRT is required. CRT, campus recruitment training, aptitude, reasoning, and aptitude knowledge required. So totally, how many courses required to pass as a fresher? 6 courses required. Now, if interviewer wanted to test little bit more, then advanced Java also will test. Minimum courses are 6, additional one more advanced Java. Totally, if you know these 7 courses, then only you can eligible for attending any fresher level interview. Now I want experience, means 2 years or 3 years of experience I have, gap I have, I need to attend as an experienced person. Then you have to also learn frameworks and web services also you should learn. And then finally, one project development knowledge you require. So totally, as an experienced person, you should have 10 courses knowledge, and as a fresher, you should have 7 courses knowledge. Understand? So currently you have joined only core Java. Now this week onwards, try to find other courses to join. What are they? Oracle, HTML. As of now, Python don't choose. HTML and Oracle important for you as a Java student. Okay, core Java, Oracle, HTML. These 3 courses must you should join. If you are not join these 3 courses, future coming days, your job getting will be delayed. Monthly, you are going to get a lot of problems. So now immediately you have to join 3 courses. You have to manage 3 courses. Okay, right. Now, as of now, in this course, what you are learning? Core Java with SEJP, JVM architecture with project development. So now here I give clarity on, as part of core Java, what you learn, as part of OCJD, what you learn, as part of JVM architecture, what you learn, and what are the websites you must follow for getting new batch details. nareshit.com. What the website you should follow? I mean, YouTube channel you should follow for latest videos. Okay, Naresh IT channel. And what the websites you should follow for getting tutorials? Okay, Java, I mean HK programming world or Java Hare Krishna, you can follow. Okay, then next, software interview rounds, written test round, technical round, project manager round, HR round. Already have explained what type of questions you are facing in these 4 rounds. And as a what person you have to think, what knowledge you must have to pass these 4 rounds, clearly I documented here, you have to follow. Second page, okay? And then as part of Java, how many editions are there? As part of Ameripage, how much Java is there? How this Ameripage Java derived from High-Tech City Java, clearly I have shown here, okay? Then next, this diagram, hope you remember, we learn. What are the courses you must learn? Problem solving skills, logical programming skills, UI programming, database programming, object oriented programming, web programming, different programming language communication. Okay, CRT, the courses I have mentioned here. Whatever just explain the courses, what you have to learn, I mentioned here. Then what is the order you must follow to complete these courses? One small diagram I gave here, you can follow this diagram. Okay, then next, we started a core Java syllabus, right? So I'm teaching core Java from the very basic 0 level. That's what Java language concepts, and then object oriented programming concepts, and then Java programming. These 3 units I have written textbook under volume 1. That one book is divided into 2 parts, A and B. Then Java API and IDEs, Java project. This is comes under volume 2. So by end of this course completed, we must become, what is our target? Full stack Java developer. Okay, right. What the meaning of full stack Java developer? You must able to develop end-to-end project, front-end screens HTML, middleware logic Java, back-end database. All 3 parts you must able to develop. That is called full stack Java. Then we entered into first chapter, introduction to Java. What is Java? Why Java? Who invented Java? Prerequisites to learn Java. Java history and features. Java abbreviation. Java versions and related date. And next, definition of Java, where Java is used, when should we use Java, when should we use C, when should we use Java, when should we use Python. All the details I have mentioned here. I didn't explain these theory points. I will explain the coming classes. Okay, no problem. As of now, I'm not worrying about this theory because in interview, no one is questioning these points. So I don't want to waste your time. So just I want to quickly enter it into programming. Then project design architectures. Did you remember I explained about types of applications, 2 types of applications, standalone application and internet application. Okay, the topics I have covered here. You can read in your free time. It's not urgent. Just I'm showing you where is the material. If you are interested, you can read. If not interested, leave it. When you fail in the interview, that time read, next interview you will pass. Generally, after we failure, then only we will realize started work na. That is our human nature, especially student nature. Okay. Then failures are stepping stones to success. Then now Java concepts, right? Remember Java editions. Java is a programming language. Java is a platform. Java is a technology, right? So that Java editions in detailed explanation I have explained here. Okay. Then next we started introduction to core Java. As part of core Java, we learn common terminology used in all languages: platform, platform dependency, platform independency, why C, C++ languages are platform dependent, how Java achieved platform independency, important facts on Java program and Java software, types of Java software, difference between JDK, JRE, JVM, installing JDK, right? And setting path is not required for latest Java versions. All the details I have explained here. Page number 71. Okay. And now currently we are in part 5, that is Java programming concepts. We completed software required to develop Java program, basic Java programming elements, essential statements of Java program, steps to develop Java program. This is the point we are learning. So up to how many pages I completed? 71 pages. 71 pages I completed. Now, these 71 pages, some students has attended classes, some students not attended classes, some points I covered, some points I didn't cover. Okay. Now, these 71 pages, complete videos I have given. Okay. So what you need to do, you need to follow them. Look at that initial classes videos.txt. Open this file. In this file, you can find videos. Totally 18 classes. Okay, now look at that. Day 1, demo 1, demo 2, demo 3. Then Java history, Java features part 1, part 2, part 3. Then Java history, Java editions, introduction to core Java, C platform dependent, platform independence, difference between JDK, JRE, JVM, installing JDK, difference between 8 to 9 environment variables, temporary settings, permanent settings. Okay, na? Right. Up to day 13 means first 13 classes. Some of the classes I covered, some of the classes I didn't cover because already videos are there. In your free time, you can watch. When is your free time? Sundays. Are you catching my point? Right. So once today I have explained some topic. This topic you revised in today, still you have the free time. Then watch from first video itself. All 13 videos you have to watch. Are you following my point? All 13 videos along with the regular class. You have to watch all these 13 videos start from first video, demo 1 onwards. The demo classes I taken for your regular class is different from the way I have covered here. So that's why I'm requesting from the day 1 onwards up to day 13, please watch all these videos from today onwards. So tell me, night 9 to 11, all you people free na? 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. night. 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. what will you do in your room? Wonderfully, you will watch your YouTube videos or Instagram reels, right? Correct? Now coming 13 days, what is your YouTube videos, movies? Java. Got clarity? So you have to study Java for next 13 days, 9 to 11 every day. Every day I will ask questions in the class from these videos. Shall I? All you people ready? Along with the regular classes, you should also complete it. And then next day 14 onwards, no need to worry. I covered already. Programming elements and essential statements covered or not? Next, steps to develop first Java program that we are learning today. Up to day 14, I have completed videos. Okay, clear? So people who missed previous classes also, I hope you can complete now. So this is the story about what you have to follow. So how many things? From the first folder, Xerox 1, and then next you have to follow initial classes.txt. That's it. These two. Already comfortable offline? Any confusions? Offline students, any confusions? All people are clear? Right. How many slots of core Java you have from today? 2 slots. 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. and 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. is regular class. Okay, na regular class I will continue. 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. you have to study the completed previous videos from your home following which file? Initial classes.txt file. So people who follow my suggestions will get lot of difference. Day by day you will see lot of growth. People who are not following, that is your karma. No one can change your life. Okay, right? How many days you have to work hard along with me? 3 months. Start from today, 3 months. So previous classes or demo classes, leave them. Today onwards, serious classes starts. So from today onwards, 3 months, if you work hard, September, October, November. By November 30, if you follow me sincerely, in 2 slots you have to work. No doubt in that. Morning 9 a.m., night 9 p.m. 2 slots, these 3 months if you work, then lot of difference you will find. Okay, na? Right. So now let me start the class today. Any questions still you have? Here is the link you can find. Yeah, online students. Tomorrow onwards, all the people should join to the class with the name pattern. Okay, na? If you join with a ... question mark. Okay, na? 2533. Yeah, who is this ... question mark? Open participants. In your list, you will find participant. Click on participants. And you can find your name there. Who is the 3 dots, 4 question marks? Reply in chat window. Else I will remove you from the class now. If I remove, you cannot join back. Okay, maybe in sleeping mode. Next. Who is that 2533 CDFC? Online students, don't share the class link to anyone, your friends or relatives or anyone. They will disturb the class. Understand? They will disturb the class and creates lot of problems to us. So don't share the class link. It is your class. You done the payment. Okay, free of cost. If you are sharing to your friends, it's disturbance to the class. They will not learn. Suddenly they will put a message because they didn't pay. They don't have seriousness and they'll start sending the message to me when batch completed. Then I will complete the batch. Then finally, who are the loser? Okay, you are the loser. So if you do payment, then only you will have seriousness. Otherwise, you will not have seriousness. So that's why don't share class link to anyone. It's a change link. And moreover, coming days, you are going to move to app. Naresh IT having separate app. You will move to the app. From the app, you have to join in coming week, next week. Next week, all the people are moving to the app. So that's why once you move to the app, if you share your links to your friends or app credentials to your friends, then what happen? You are going to lose the class. Your friend will join, you cannot join. Okay. So every day I will verify your names, who are joining, who are not joining, what is your name. Okay. Computer names. Okay. And what do you call mobile names? If you, with those names, if you join, you will be removed. Yeah. I don't have any courtesy. So I don't want to allow the fake people to join the class. When you don't run, when you don't like your name, I don't like you. Understand? Respect your father, mother. 1 plus center. 1 plus 2 plus PD. APD, physical director. Yeah, RB. Reserve Bank. Okay, come. So everyone. Yeah, app means it's both for Windows and also for. Yeah, Sai Mahesh, I'll check after class. Kumar, you have so many doubts. Huh? Ask one doubt first. Okay, so right. Now let me start the class, guys. So last class we have completed up to essential statements of Java program. Today we'll start what is the work of DSA. Join DSA class, na? Join DSA demo class. Faculty will tell you. Your doubt will be cleared. Why you are having so many doubts? Don't confuse your brain. All demo classes are free, no? Which course you have doubt, join that course demo class. Problem solved. Is DSA important with Java? What is your feeling? You feel important or not important? Who told you there is a DSA to you? Catch that person. First murder him. Yeah. You are from BSc background. Okay, Baba. Which background you are least bother? Okay. So who is confusing you by telling so many points? Catch him, then kill him, so that you will not be disturbed. Coding Ninja, if you join, who is telling that nonsense? Catch him and ask him. Huh? Okay, guys, come on, don't confuse too much. Concentrate. What the topic today? Steps to develop, compile, and execute Java program. Okay, then now let's start. And tell me, what the steps? Give me your idea. What is the first step? Develop. Second step? Compile. Third step? Execute. Where you develop? In your house? My house? No. Where you develop? Develop means what? Type and save. Where you type? Editor, not Notepad, not Eclipse. Worst fellows. Where? Editor. Use common terminology, generalized terminology. What you have to use now for developing? Editor. Next. After typing and saving, I want to compile. For compiling, what you required? Who is telling JVM? Dandes Danametal. Okay. JVM is for compiling or executing? Executing. Tell me, what you required for compilation? Compiler. What you required? Compiler. Tell me, just if you have compiler, can you compile the program? No. We required compiler, and we should run that compiler software from where? Command prompt. So what we require to compile? Compiler software and command prompt. Then after compiling, what will get? Bytecode. Now I want to run that bytecode. How can I run bytecode? By using JVM. Then I required JVM plus command prompt. Okay. So totally how many softwares are required to develop, compile, and execute? 3. So tell me, first step, what is required? Develop. Develop means what? Type and save. Where I can type? Editor. So what the first step now? Don't write. Answer. Item baga alvadu అయిపోయింది. Step 1. Follow. ఏం ఎడిటర్? ఏం చేయాలా ఎడిటర్ని? What should I do? Editor and what should I do? Editor. Oh, pen editor. You should open, Ravi. That's what you people are become waste fellows in the world, because always you think from the middle. You never start from 0. Okay, start from 0 so that you can reach 100 easily. Okay, tell me now. First one, what? Open editor. Tell me which editor we are working now? Default editor. What the default editor? Notepad. So now open Notepad. So tell me how to open Notepad. Non-IT background students who don't know computer, how to open Notepad? Sir, I don't know computer, sir. I never touch keyboard also. Very good. Okay, now on keyboard you will find start button, means window key will be there. Okay, Windows symbol will be there. Now press start and a Windows key. Then type Notepad, then press enter. Okay, na? Then when you press start window, which is their left side of alt key, okay, then you will get type message like this, and then you type what here? Notepad. Then look at the Notepad is coming. Press enter. Notepad is open. Wow, this is a Notepad. Okay, Notepad by default come up with less font in your system. You have to increase the font. How? Go to editor view now. Go to edit and then click on font and change the font. Okay, let me decrease the font. Today's system showing big fonts. Yeah, where is this? Okay. Then now this is the font. Next step is what? After notepad is open, next step. Step number 2, close notepad. And then what? Type Java program. Okay, type Java program. Come on, type Java program. Every Java program starts with class, following by class name. Tell me, class name? Class name, can I take any name or not? Your wish. Okay, any name you can take. But generally students will write what? A wonderful name. What do you know? My name, my lover name. Okay. Now general people write Hari. Hari is the program name, right? Worst fellow, common sense fellow, common sense less fellow, right? If I see people who are using their name as the class name, I want to take them to the corner of the room and beat like, villain. So you have to write what? This is your first program, na? Take the name as what? First program. Okay. Then if you give this program to the compiler asks, come nearer. How many names you will give to the name? How many names you will give to the program? How many names are here? 2 names. First name or last name? Hari Krishna. Hari is the first name. Krishna is the last name, na? If you give the space in the middle, that will be considered as a 1 name or 2 names, sir? 2 names. Then if you give 2 names, how can a compiler can consider this name of the program? It should consider first or first as a second. Confusion. Then compiler will throw error. Then tell me, should I give spaces in the middle of the class? Everyone reply. As soon as telling also you are looking, class. Don't sit with the dirty faces. Open your mouth and try to answer. Tell me, inside the class name, spaces are allowed or not allowed? Not allowed. If you give spaces, what happen? Who will throw error? Compiler will throw error. Then I am removing space. Everyone understand? Right. All the people open notes. Write your name. Your name you write. Just write name. Everyone. Write your name and you are looking at my face first. Not in Hindi, English. Not in Telugu, Hindi. In English, write your name. Written? How many people written name like this? For example, my name, Hari Krishna. How many people have written your first letter, small letter? 1, 2. Raise your hand. Why you are shout? 1, 2. How many people written with capital letter? Wow. So many common sense fellows are there. It is your name, childhood point, right? Name first letter must be capital. Every word first letter should be capital. And if you want to consider it as a 2 names, then give space. If you want to consider as a 1 name, don't give space. Have you have common sense now? Tell me. Now this class name is what? It is a name. Name means what? Noun. Noun should be in title case. Got clarity? So tell me, F should be small letter or capital letter? P, capital letter. Remaining letter should be small. Is it a ruler? Common sense? Common sense. If I write as a small f, small p, any objection to compiler? No, no objection. You can write small letter. Can you write your name Hari Krishna as a small letter? Yes. When you're filling the application form or somewhere you are writing name, if you write small letters and if you submit, the person who taking your application form, read your application for your name and look at your face, inside scolding like anything. First fellow, do you know how to write your name also? Right? Same way, why the people are following the title case? It's for easy reading. If all letters are small letters, how to read it? Very difficult. If I write Hari Krishna with the capital letters, it is easy for people to read and pronounce. Understand my point? So tell me, first program, whenever you are writing your class name, first and program, F and P must be capital letters. That's a good programming practice. Is it clear? If I write F and P small letter, any problem? No problem. Will compiler throw any error? No. Can I take space here? No. If I take space, any compile time error? Yes. Okay, good. Now, next point. Shall I move? Once you write a class, there should be multiple statements I am going to add. Then when I'm writing multiple statements, compulsory, what is required? Block. Now, third point. What is the first point we understood? There should not be any space. Second point, what do you understand? The letter, every word, first letter should be capital. third point we are trying to understand. Can I take this open bracket in the same line? Yes. In the next line also? Yes. But what is recommended? Same line. If I write next line, this is which programming style? C programming style. Does Java follow C style? Yes, yes, yes. Java programming syntaxes are derived from where? C. Syntaxes are taken from C. Object-oriented programming concepts are taken from C++ and started implementing in the own style of Java. Okay, C program syntax style, Java program syntax style are same, but small differences are there, that's all. So what is the first difference? If you take open bracket down, you will be considered as a Java programmer or C Java programmer. Don't habituate from the first program itself. We will try to write in the same line. Maybe in your colleges you are habituated this, and some developers are there, great people, they will start bracket here, intelligent people. Okay, bro, you take your face. God has given eyes to ears to nose, everything in a proper places or not? If your God is mixing all and different places giving, is it looking good? No. Same way here also. You have to arrange your program in a proper way for easy reading. Okay, next. Open bracket, we are writing the same place. Next. Now, inside this class, I should start typing main method. Yes or no? Tell me, main method is part of class or it's outside of the class? Means main method is a member of the class. Come on, everyone should speak. Main method is a member of class. Yesterday I targeted boys. Remember, people who are not talking, I scolded them. I almost make them bakra in the class. Correct? That student came on today. Thanks, Nana. Right now today target is what? Girls, because I am observed your batch girls are very lazy. Now it's the time I have to control your laziness. I should remove the laziness too. Generally, I don't much follow girls. Okay, I don't never force the girls to study. But now I want to force, because payments completed. No, where you go, you'll not go anywhere, right? So now today target is girls. If anybody is not talking, personally I will ask, Amma, can you please tell me? Okay, then that time you will feel insulted, and if you cry, I cannot do anything. 33% reservation. No? Easily you can cry. Boys say will cry. Yes or nobody? Because of my scoldings, boys say crying like anything. Girls, easily can cry. So don't come to that stage. What is the problem? Is it allowed or not allowed? That's all right. I'm saying what? Yes, sir? No. Yes, sir, no. Also, if you are not talking, now you are number one lazy fellow. Boys can be lazy. Girls are also lazy, means it's very dangerous to the nation. To the country, it's a very danger. Okay. Lazy girls are most dangerous. Okay, now come back again. Now tell me where I must write the bracket in the same line. Now I must write the members of the class. Writing members of the class means you should write inside or parallel or outside. Inside. You are the member of this classroom. That means where you should sit inside the class, not outside of the wall. Sit outside of the wall and say, I am belongs to HK student, and it's not good, right? That means, should I write main method start from here? Think and tell me. Should I write main method start from here? No. If I write here, is it considered as a member of the class? For example, heart of your body is a member of your body. Heart is a member of body. Na? Do one thing. Take the heart outside, hold your hand and go on the road. Okay. Not okay, na? Why God put the heart inside the body, not why outside of the body? Because heart is member of the body. That means it should be inside. Inside means what? It should be like this. Are you catching my point? There should be some space at the beginning of the main method. Then it will be considered as inside. Means it will be considered as a member. So what the fourth point you need to understand? So whenever we are creating member of the class, that member must be inside the class. Repeat once again. First point is what? There should not be spaces in the class. Okay. First rule is what? The name of the class. First word, first letter. Every word, first letter should be capital. Point number 2, there should not be spaces. Point number 3, open bracket should write in a same line. Next, main method should start typing by giving some space. Should be inside the class. Public static void main of string String, square bracket. The square bracket, how to pronounce as array? How to pronounce as array? Tell me, is it string type or string array type? It is looking like a string, not string. It is totally string array. String array args. Then where I should write open bracket? Main method also contain the statements, na? Then where I should write open bracket? Next line, same line? Next line. Array, next line and a C developer you are, okay? Next line, same line? Same line. If I write in the next line, is there any compile time error? No, that is C style. Then next, inside main method, now I should write what? Statements. The statements belongs to class or main method. Then I should start typing them in class or in main method. In main method means I should move the cursor into the main method, na? Right? I have to move here. Then I should type system dot out dot println of double quotes. What message you want to display? That message I should write where? In double quotes. If you directly type the message, it is not considered as a text. If you want to say some text you display, that must place in between what? Double quotes. Then what message you wanted to write? Hello world, get out. I wanted to say HK word. Hello world enter. Why? So I want write what? HK world. What is HK world? Entertainment world? No. Programming world. HK programming world I wanted to display. Is it clear? Then tell me, main method I have only one statement. I should close main method, na? I have open main method. Now I should close main method. How to close main method? I should write open, close the bracket. Where? Anywhere? No. Anywhere? No. It should close exactly down to starting point of main. That means what? Public. Can I write here? Yeah. Can I write here? Yeah. Can I write here? Yes. Can I write here? Yes. You can write anywhere, but it is not look like a good program, right? It's like look ugly, like your face. Are you leaving your face ugly? No. Before coming to house, you are adding lot of makeup and looking good. No. Same story, right? So you have to write the program neatly by open where, close where to start statement. This is your complete program. So what the fifth point? Where to close the bracket? You must close the bracket exactly parallel to the starting point of the main method and starting point of the class. Can expect totally understand? Right. Very, very, very important sixth point. Java is case sensitive. What? That means when you are typing some words, if they are already created, predefined words, you are trying to type. User defined words, however you want, you can type. Now, first program is your own word. You can type however you like, no problem. Is this word class user defined or predefined? Predefined. Public static void main string array args. User defined or predefined? Predefined. System dot out dot println. Predefined. HK programming world. User defined things you can write in any uppercase, lowercase characters, no problem. Whenever you are typing predefined words, you must type them in the same case in which they have typed earlier, created earlier. Class, public, static, void are keywords. Remember predefined words vocabulary? Right. So these are the keywords, reserved words. These are the reserved words. You must not type these words however you like. You must type them as it is. If you type with uppercase, there are some students are there. They will type capital C and crying, sorry, my program not compiled. Change it to small c, it will compile. Some people having habit, every line first word they will type capital letter. That's what their habit. Public P capital letter they will type. That is wrong. Small p. Look at here, Bajay. String is a class name. Like first program, string is a class name. Class name first letter should be capital. If you type small s, again you will get what? Compile time error. Here system is what? Yesterday I told you. Class. Then tell me. S must be capital letter. S must be capital letter. If you write small s, again compiler throw error. Is everyone understand all the 6 points? Can you please repeat once again? What the rule number 1? In a class, every word first letter should be capital letter. In the class name, every word must be first letter should be capital letter. Rule number 2, there should not be spaces between the words. Rule number 3, you must write open bracket in the same line. You can write in the next line, but not good programming. Next, point number 4. You must write a main method with space gap because it's a member of the class. Also, we should write SOPLN inside main method because it is also inside the method. It's a member of the main method. Next, point number 5. Point number 5. Predefined words you must type with the same predefined case. All keywords must type in a lower case. Class name first letter should be capital. And the next point number 6, the closed brackets you must write exactly down in the starting line, exactly parallel to the starting line of the main method and class. Will you remember all these 6 points? Okay, nice. Now once again I want to type all these statements. Ready now? Right. What the first step in developing program? Open Notepad. How to open Notepad? Press the start, then type what? Notepad, then press enter key. And then type Java program. Type the Java program. Class C, small letter, capital letter? Small letter. First program F, capital letter. P, capital letter. No space. Open bracket, same line. Then main method with the spaces. What the spelling? Public, small letter. Static, small letter. Void, small letter. Main, small letter. Then next, string, array. Yes, capital letter. Arcs. Open bracket. Closed bracket. Okay. Open bracket, same line. Next, system.out.println. Inside a main method. Then yes, capital letter. System.out.println off. Double quotes. HK. Programming world. Then close main method parallel to public, and then close class parallel to class. Wonderful. Okay, next up is what? Type program complete. Next up is what? Save. Okay, save this program with .java extension. Save above program or save this program. Where? Soni Kumari, whatever I am explaining, follow me. Don't ask additional questions. Okay, na? I am here not to explain what you want. You are here to follow me. Additional questions, if you people are asking, simply I will remove you from the class. All online students, understood? What to explain, what not explain, I know. If you ask unnecessary questions, then you will not listen what I am saying. You are worrying about what you want. Finally, I don't teach what you want. And finally, you will not understand and you will trouble yourself and I'll trouble the class. So what are the doubts you have in academics? Don't rise here. I know what to teach, what not to teach. Don't trouble the class. Don't disturb the class. Everyone concentrate. Save this program. Where? Where? In JDK software? No, we must save in our project directory. This program I am developing for JDK software? No, we are developing for our project. That means I must create in my computer, in my hard disk, I must create my own directory. Na? With what name? Project name. With my project name, I should create. In that project directory, I have to save this program. Save this program with .java extension. Where? In this project directory. Again, I am repeating, not in a JDK software directory. In your academics, you might have saved in the JDK software. That is a wrong process. Okay, right. Then I have saved. Tell me now, after saving, assume this is saved. After saving, what I need to do? Compile. That means I completed my development. The next step is what? Compile, execute. Can I directly execute? No. It is possible from Java 11 version onwards. From Java 11 version onwards, directly I can execute without compilation. But I want to follow regular process. Okay. What is that? First you compile, then execute. Tell me, who will compile? Compiler software. What is the name of the compiler software? Java C. What the compiler software name? Java C. So now I should run Java C to compile my Java program. Where I can run Java C? in a command prompt. Then tell me, is the command prompt abracadabra and will come? No. Tell me, what before compiling, what the next step I have to do? Step number 4. Come on, open command prompt. Tell me how to open command prompt. Same process. What is that? Press start. Then type CMD. Then press enter key. Last batch, one student asked me, sir, I didn't find where is enter. Enter key, press. Click is different to press is different. Okay. Click ante you have to search on the window. Press ante on the keyboard. Okay. Now open command prompt. Open. Let me open. How to open? Press start. Then type CMD. Press enter. Now tell me, command prompt is showing the path to which directory? HK. Is our project directory? If I directly type, save, assume that I have saved the program with some name, example.java. Then compiler software will throw error. Are tumri fellow? File not found. Example.java. Where example.java is available? In HK directory? No, it is available in our project directory. That means, what should I do now? Step number 5. Directly compile execute, or I have to change the driver? Change command prompt path to project directory. How to change? How to change it? Change the means what? Change directory. CD. Hello, CD can change the directory within the drive. If you have your Java file or you have folder inside C drive, then I can use what? CD. But it is not available in the C drive. It is available in another drive. Suppose you have your project directory in a D drive. Type D colon. No, I have in E drive. Type E colon. Are you following my point? So first what I should do? Change. How many changes I have to do? Change drive. For example, D colon. Then change direct. How to change directory? For changing directory, I use the command CD. Okay, na? CD command I have to use. After come to D drive, okay, E drive or D drive, suppose I come to D drive. Then I wanted to change CD space one folder. Okay, for example, the folder is CJ, then I change to CJ. Understand? Right. So once again, repeat once again. If you want to compile Java program, what I should do? Open command prompt. Then type word. Change drive. First change drive, then change directory. Samajh mein aaya? Okay. The next point. Come on, try to answer. After changing directory path, the next step is what? Now you have to compile. Compile Java program with what command? Java C tool. Small commands. Small softwares are technically called what? Tool. As below. Now what the command? Any of you remember? Java C. This arrow mark is what? Representing command prompt. Java C. What is that? File name dot Java. Okay, file name dot Java. Okay, then what it will generate? Dot class file. Everyone tell me, what is the name of the dot class file? Dot class file name, is it class name dot Java or file name dot Java? Wrong answer. Class name dot class. So what it will generate? Class name dot class. Okay, then after compilation, next step is what? Execution. Step number 7. Execute Java program with which tool? Java tool as below. Java. What the name? What the command I should give? Only class name. Extension should give or should not give? Should not give. Then it generate any exe file or only output? Only output. Everyone understood? Right. Java program development, compilation, and execution comes under how many steps? 7 steps. completed? Huh? Can you answer yourself? Did you copy or written by your own? Copy, yeah? I know you are worst failure about. Lifelong copy only. Correct? Huh? How many days you will continue copying from other people notes? Try to write yourself. Okay? Now come on. Try to recollect all the points. Can you try to tell yourself, programmer? I mean, anybody ask what the steps? How many steps are there to develop Java program? First step. All are answering, girls. So today, really, I'm saying I'll start following. If you don't answer, I'll ask you personally. Okay, na? Then tomorrow onwards, you will get a question yourself. Should I go to class or should not go? Na? Okay, right. So just try to open your mouth and try to tell as much as you remember. I didn't say everything tell correctly, right? I never worry about correct answer. I'll worry about only answer. Answer it enough. So that slowly you will understand how to speak in Java. So don't consider Java is a programming language. Try to consider Java is a speaking language. You have to speak in the interview room. In which language? Java. People are feeling that in English. No, it is in Java. And tell me now, totally 7 steps I told. In 7 steps, I have used English or Java English. Java English I have written. What is that? Open English, Notepad, Java. Type English, program, Java program, Java. Okay, na? Class name, open bracket, closed bracket. Entire thing is what? Java English. Okay, na? Right. Class, English. Program, first program. No, class is Java, first program, English. Open bracket, Java. Public, English. Public there in English also, no? Static, Java. Void, Java. Main, English. Okay, na? String, bracket, Java. String, English. String is there in English, no? Square bracket, Java. Arcs, Java. Not English. Okay? Bracket. So finally, what is this? Java English. So if you don't know how to speak in Java English, everywhere you will fail. Forget about interview understanding. Tomorrow class, not understand. So because every day I'll speak in Java English. So if you don't habituate of this vocabulary terminology, you'll face a lot of problems. Okay? Please try to focus. Try to improve yourself. Try to help yourself. Okay.